Hi everybody, it's Dave, and we are entering week 9 now, which is pretty awesome because we're halfway through the semester. So with this week, it's a very easy week. I know last week, in fact the last 2 weeks, we were studying the Greek civilization. We had that artwork project as well as a quiz to do, and thank you for turning those in, and I will get set to grading those immediately. It's going to take me roughly 2 weeks to get them all completed and grades back to you. The next thing that is due is the final paper. And it's great because this is the last project we have besides the weekly quizzes. So I'll have information about the paper posted either later tonight or early tomorrow morning. Today is Columbus Day. It is October the 9th. It's Monday. And this week we are going to be covering the Etruscans, which is great because it is a very short chapter. It's kind of nice after having a couple weeks dealing with about 60-70 pages of the Greek civilization. We have a little bit of a respite with the Etruscans. It's 12 pages long. So try to do that early in the week. The quiz is already posted. It is a 10-question true-false multiple choice quiz, and make sure for number 10 you have to answer true to get the points. As far as the audio lectures this week, I do have an audio PowerPoint that has me narrating going through the chapter images. You do want to watch that, but also as far as a video is concerned, one of my friends, she's also an art history teacher and teaches online. She's got a video already of Etruscan art, goes into some depth about a couple of works that I don't, as well as giving you a very good background of the Etruscan civilization. I've given you a link to that, as well as 2 links from Smart History, which cover specific artworks. The sarcophagus is one of them, and the Apollo of Veii is the other. So make sure to watch those as well. Those videos are very quick. The Art History Basics video is 12 minutes, and then the other videos on the specific artworks are about 3 to 4 minutes each. They're very, very quick. And then you can answer the quiz questions, and you're done for the week. It's that simple. So with that, I also want to point out, make sure that if you're planning on doing the extra credit, now is a great time. Get it out of the way before the end of the semester. And second, as far as the gradebook is concerned, keep in mind that each time I add an assignment, for instance, I'm going to be adding the written assignment, and I think that's worth about 100 points. It will totally skew the percentages that you have for your grade until I post a grade for the written assignment, which is not going to be for several weeks. So if you go online and you've gotten like A's on all your quizzes, or a combination of A's, B's, and C's, and you look at your final grade and it's an F, it's like 25-30%, it's because that large project has been added and you just haven't gotten credit for the project yet. So keep in mind that the class is out of 500 points and you want at least 350 because that'll give you a C in the course. But again, the big project hasn't been graded yet. Don't freak out if you look at the gradebook and see a low percentage. It's not a true representation of what you have. Once the big projects are in, it'll be much closer to your accurate grade. And of course, each time we move closer to the end of the semester, we have another quiz, and those points are then considered. So with that, I hope you guys have a great week. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I've gotten everyone's projects in. If I did not receive a project from you, I have already sent you an email saying that there was no submission. With that, I'll see you guys next Sunday night.